What's up everyone, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you how to turn on reduce motion on Messenger. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Now before we start, make sure that you are running the latest update of your Messenger app. Go to Play Store and search for Messenger. If there's an update, go ahead and update the app. After that, let's open the Messenger app. Now click the menu button at the lower right, then click Settings. Scroll down and look for Accessibility. Under Motion, select Reduce Motion. From System, all we have to do is turn it on. Now when turned on, this minimizes motion, which can be useful for reducing motion sickness or dizziness. So that's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.